couple standard maneuvers when you're working a large rubber bait in the fall. Where I come from in Minnesota, I've gotten a lot of confidence in a simple pull pause technique. It's something I've kind of refined over the years, where I like to pull the bait forward maybe 4 feet and then just reel down the slack and letting that bait settle down. So in the fall, a muskie is really going to be acting like an opportunistic fish, where as the water cools, they want something that's wounded and even erratic. So really the key is, in any situation, to get that bait down to the fish, and as you pull it along and a fish starts following it, they're starting to notice that this thing is wounded and a really easy meal. So we're still doing that on Lake St. Clair, but I've started realizing that my normal technique of that longer pull and pause has really equated to way less bites than the local guys. So these guys have caught hundreds of muskies on St. Clair all the way into December, and they're doing something a little different. So what they're doing is they're pulling the bait up and then allowing it to, on slack line, to fall forward. So the bait's really hopping along, and it's kind of a continuous motion, and I can picture that fish as it's following it. Next time you're on Lake St. Clair, no matter where you're from or however many muskies you've caught in the fall, pay attention to this show and other shows that you've seen, and really watch the guys, the guides, and their customers that have caught hundreds of muskies, and watch how they're putting that little bit of slack in their line. It can make all the difference in the world of setting the hook, catching the fish, getting your picture taken, or maybe just being the net guy like me.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.